I'm at the Gazipur landfill site in Delhi, and here you can see lot of processes are happening, and one very important process, it is called as biomining. In the biomining, what happens, the legacy waste or old waste is being segregated. So there are some trommel machines. These trommel machines will keep on rotating and they will segregate the soil particles, plastic, metal, and textile, and all these kind of things. So all the textile, plastic will be dumped in the lorry, and it will be carried in some other place. Just show this lorry. You can show this lorry. Lot of lorries are there which are taking this plastic and textile to some other place, and the soil particles, or what we can say compost, is falling down, and that is separately collected, and that is also carried out some other place. Now major question is how much it cost, this entire process, how much it cost, how much is being spent by the government or municipal corporation on this entire process. First very important question. Second very important question is the soil or the compost, it is totally contaminated because it contains microplastic, it contains acids, it contains so many chemicals and toxic metals and materials, which is not very good for any kind of agriculture process or any kind of even gardening or horticulture process. Third important step is where this plastic is going. You are segregating the plastic, so what happens with that plastic? Because this information need to be placed in the public domain. That information is not yet put in the public domain properly. How much waste, how much plastic is coming out, means how much plastic is segregated every day, and where it goes, how much soil or compost is segregated, and where it goes. All these questions need some kind of answer, and that answer government has to put all this information into the public domain, because this is very dangerous. All these things are very dangerous for public health, for environment. Everything is being deteriorated very badly. So we need to get some answer for this question, and what is the way out, what you are going to do. Suppose for example you will make this entire area empty, what is next? So there should be some kind of mechanism, there should be segregation of the waste, and the waste management starts with the proper segregation of the waste.